Never doubt yourselves, kids. Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and thumbs this video up, even though I haven't done anything yet and I didn't even introduce myself, and you probably have no idea how you even found yourself here. But go ahead and thumbs this video up anyway. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. This is a makeup channel, but I also do like reactions, and I have a couple story times as well. So go ahead and hit that subscribe so you don't miss out on any of that. Today, I kind of know what kind of look I'm going for, but we're gonna see how it turns out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it and see how this works out for me. So first I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty primer, and I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get into my eyebrows. I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow Pomade in the color Ebony. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Sephora Bright Futures Concealer, and I'm going to clean up my eyebrows really quick. Get out of the way. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Potion Primer and prime my eyelids real quick. Alright, so I'm going to go into my Tartlette and Bloom palette, and I'm going to go all over the lid with Rebel. Okay, so I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses liquid eyeliner in gold. Alright, so now I'm just going to line my eyes, do a wing liner with my e.l.f. Cream eyeliner in black. Okay, so I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Foundation in 440 and go ahead and put that on my face. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Kat Von D Lock It Concealer in D37, and I'm going to highlight. So I'm taking my Laura Mercier setting powder in medium deep, and I'm gonna bake. And now I'm going to take my Zuri pressed powder in Nuit, and I'm going to set my, well, they're not contoured, but you know. Okay, so the lashes I'm using, I'm actually testing them out to see if I want to go with this supplier for my hair brand. So we're gonna see if I like these. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and outline my lip. Actually, no. I'm going to highlight first. I'm going in my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to take bronzed. Okay, now I'm going to line my lips. I'm just taking some black eyeliner. Alright, I'm going to switch it up a little bit, and I'm just going to put 3 tiny little dots. And then lastly, I'm going to go back and take my gold eyeliner and draw a line right in the middle here. Alright, last but not least, just going to set with my Urban Decay all-nighter. Alright, you guys, here is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I think it came out really cute. I didn't think it was gonna come out like this because this is exactly what I was trying to do, but I pleasantly surprised myself, so never doubt yourselves, kids. But anyway, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. And oh yeah, you can go ahead and follow me on all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. All that's going to be on the next screen and down below in the description. And yeah, thanks guys for watching. I am going to go ahead and put some of my body lava on, just why not. And I'll see you guys in my next one.